Each Instagram live is 1 hour. Instagram live is only 1 hour, so it makes sense. It's 10 o'clock. We started at 1 o'clock. I mean, at 9 o'clock. Senior, do you have any win-loss percentages for clients? What clients? I don't take clients. I trade my money for myself. Why not just stream at YouTube? I don't know how to set it up. So we're doing a big YouTube video based on the computer. But let me get on some people real quick. If you want to get on and say a couple words, that's perfectly fine. Very, very quickly. What's good?
You can hear me?
What's good? Yeah.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Lovely.
Yeah, long time no see, but hey, man, I just want to say I appreciate you for all the work you done, man. I've been really grinding this out for the past month, studying, going back to videos, applying it. Like I got the whole setup right here on my
Working.
bro. I dropped my daughter off to daycare, bro, and then I go to Barnes and Nobles and I study for about like a good 4 or 5 hours. Pick her back up and then go back home, do the same thing. Like I'm really in this shit. Like when I go to work, I be sneaking out trying to like just do all kind of shit because
it's a dedication, man. I love it,
bro. There's a lot of goofy niggas that been hitting me up. You know, they've been trying to like sell me courses and you know do all kind of stuff like that, and then like they don't know our relationship. So like when they'll say, I'll be like, nah, I'm kind of like. Like this one dude, for example, I told him, I said, yo, I appreciate you reaching out, but I'm studying in Wall Street Academy, and he was like, oh, he trades differently and this, that, and third, but I ain't say nothing, so I was just kind of like, yo, like that's fine, but this is what I'm learning right now, and I ain't got time to be paying you for something and then fuck up my whole learning process and stuff like that. For the simple fact that motherfuckers was over here to really try to like downplay you, and you out here got this goddamn account on social media right now, and they still hating. I'm just at a point now where I'm just like, yo, fuck everybody that's coming to me right now. Until I get up there, I don't want to hear nothing from nobody because what I'm learning is working.
Correct.
So I'm like, all right, there's different trading styles, there's different that, but if you got the audacity to go ahead and downplay a motherfucker that's already doing this shit just so I can buy your course.
That is wild to me.
Yeah.
People that downplay, mind you, I have friends that make way more money than I do. I have friends that make like $1 million a week in trading.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Way younger than me and everything, but it's like you would never hear those people downplay anything. Right. It's the people that's not doing as good always. And always will be those people that are not doing as good as a person that they're trying to downplay. Right. They can't even come close.
Yeah, and
you know what I'm saying?
I'm thinking to myself like I said, they don't know our relationship. So and for me, that's why I'll be telling myself. I said, man, when you had brought this shit to me 7 years ago, however long ago it was, I should have really just said fuck all them other niggas and just really like lock in with you. like your old business partner, I ain't gonna say his name on this shit.
Mm-hmm.
Like he had approached me too, but the nigga was so goofy. I was like, I ain't really gonna get involved with all the bullshit, so I just kind of like fell back.
Yeah.
But I should have just been solid and just say, yo, whatever I gotta do, let's do it, man. Because seeing you and what you have accomplished, dog, is such an inspiration to me, dog. Like I'm so proud of you, man. Like I
Appreciate
just
that, man.
can't wait. I cannot wait to get in this fucking bag because like I done cut so many people off. I'm good grinding by myself. I
You
just
have
want to
to.
go ahead and get this shit
You
out the
have to get
way.
inside that mindset of just like, yo, I'm gonna be selfish for a little bit and just focus on just me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not worried about this person or that person, that person. I'm focused on just like what I have to do, and I'm gonna do like what I have to do to actually get to that next
Right.
level. You
Right,
know?
and that's where I'm at with it. Cause I've been taking so many L's for the past 3 years, dog, and I'm just kind of like, yo, something got to change. And I'm always the person that's always helping niggas out when they need help. But when I need help, ain't nobody got me. So I
Always.
just said, so I said to myself, you know what? This is it. I got back into this. I've been studying. I'm learning it. I only have like your account on notification. So every time you post something, I check
You get it
in.
immediately. Yeah.
Yeah. So I be all right. What you talking about? And then I see it. And if I can understand it, now I know that I'm getting it. Now I know that I can go ahead and do this and stuff like that. I'll be watching. Man, I'm on 1,000%, 100 miles running on this shit, and I cannot wait because I know it's coming.
It's
I
coming,
know
yeah.
it's coming, dog.
But I've seen how active that you've been inside the group also and everything. You know what I'm saying? So like you're putting that extra effort that I expect from you. You know what I'm saying? So
Right.
you're on the right track.
I appreciate you, man. That means a lot. But I'm like I said, I'm coming out here, man. I ain't trying to be the best or nothing like that. I'm just trying to get a bag, and I'm trying to
Hey,
get back right. You know what I'm saying?
that's
That's
it.
it. I ain't trying to be out here like stunting in front of people and stuff like that. Cause I'm still me. At the end of the day, you like cars, I like shoes. You know what I'm saying? So
All the shoes.
you're right.
All the
Top
shoes.
tier shit.
The whole
Top
road.
tier, yeah.
You know what
Top
I'm saying?
shit.
Like,
Cover this shit. No, fuck it. We get the whole road. Top tier shit.
straight up. Listen, nothing less, man, you know?
Yo, I
But nah, man,
appreciate you,
but
dog.
appreciate that, man. Thank you, man.
No, all day, man. I see you at the top, man.
Got you, bro. Peace, peace.
Hi. Thanks for this shit.
How how do you even get people off? Oh wait, let me see. There we go. All right, so right now we're at 5:40. A little bit of hold on, wait, let me show you real quick. Where can we learn about trading? You have Wall Street Academy, which I'm gonna just put on right here. Right. And my stomach hurts. Nah, don't worry about it. I feel like the only moves that actually make like my stomach drop and everything are drastic moves. So let's just see how this actually plays out. Like I said, no, not yet. So remember, this right here is on a 5 minute time frame. So this is like extra fluctuation and extra details that at times can actually throw us off. This right here is the main zone for me, at least. This orange zone, like right here, is the orange zone that pretty much says that, okay, cool, like it's pretty much, it found a strong level of resistance and it's going to stick to that. From that point, I'm open and closing. Right here is just fluctuation. So you still have the MA, which acts as a level of support as well. So yeah, it's a waiting game. The ones that make the screen move, definitely. Remember, trading, the markets is one thing that you have no control over. You have to pretty much do your analysis and understand what's happening each and every single detail. That's why there's times that, I'll literally just be on the charts and literally stare at every single candle close, every single candle open, every single candle just fluctuated until close, all these things. Because that accelerates your learning curve drastically. You know what I'm saying? Because if candlestick analysis is like one most important thing in trading, then you have to pretty much do what has to be done to unlearn it. Even though it might take a long time and that kind of thing, like, staring at the charts to actually understand each and every fluctuation is just as important. So you're spot on with what has to happen and what it has to actually close light to then validate a certain area or a certain move. This time frame now, I'm back on 30. Let me just try to get some more people on here real quick. Oh wait, I haven't seen this move in a little while.